So here, a little bit of quick tip. Honda Odyssey. That right there regulates voltage down from 12 to 5. I used these things in a previous build. Anyway, I picked these up on eBay really cheap. I cut the cord on my dash cam. There's my setup here to show you this. On my mirror, there is a power wire that's powered. When you turn the key on, that's essentially what you really want anyway. So it goes in the back of the mirror. So we're going to get us a couple of little wires. I done put a little solder spot on these so I can attach a wire. Like right there and right there. You have to find out actually the black with the yellow. If you got a 2009 and I'm using the black with the gray as a ground. Black and yellow is a positive. And easily checked with a meter. I've got the meter sitting right here. But anyway, you can use that hookup for the mirror right there, which is more than enough power to power this cam. That's my dash cam right here. I didn't want to run the wire that came with it. Like I said, I just cut it. I was hoping it's going to be 12 volt. I checked it, but it ended up being 5 volts. So that kind of screwed me a little bit. I've got this thing in today. Well, there's the rear. I'll be recording all that. But anyway, that's got solder on it already. So let's go and get that soldered on there. Well, that kind of goes without saying that. Let me see if I can get this thing to... Sorry about that. Right there it is. Okay, there's an in and an out. The red wire on this one here is a positive. The black wire is a negative. Like I said, these are marked in and out. Also, another thing, if you take the plug apart, the same setup will be on the inside as well. So you could take this apart. I had the other one laying around, so I'm going to use it. Anyway, just fold me some wire over, wrap some good tape on it. This is a Scotch 55 plus. You know, that odds are that don't want to come undone. So there is that contraption without being plugged in yet. I just got it hanging there loose, so no action on the camera. I'm going to take my little key here and put it in the ignition. So we're going to go ahead and wrap a little bit of tape. There's nothing gonna hurt it. Wrap the tape around it and we'll clip it back in and it'll be perfectly fine. All that stuff is hidden. So now you don't have any wires sitting there from your dash cam. And of course we still got to run a whole lot of other wires here because we got a rear cam as well. But anyway, figured record that real quick. There you go. See you on the next one.